This video explains how to update your Pivot profile.
Please note, due to recent enhancements and local customizations made by your institution, your interface may appear slightly different than the screen images in this video. Functionality described here will still be largely the same.
Update your profile in order to get increased funding matches targeted to you. Get discovered as a potential collaborator and get relevant funding alerts directly to your inbox. Your profile can contain biographical information about your role, affiliations, and research interests, as well as publications, grants, and patent information. Access your profile from the drop-down menu. Note that new users will see Claim Your Profile. Once you claim your profile, you can then edit it. In most cases, the Pivot editorial team will have pre-populated your profile with biographical information found on your institution's public web pages. In addition, Pivot uses multiple data sources and a sophisticated matching algorithm to automatically link citations and grants to your profile. As this may not be the most current or accurate data, it is highly recommended that you take a few minutes to review and update your profile. To allow someone else to update your profile on your behalf, click on Add a Proxy and you can designate one or more Pivot users who can manage your profile. Click on Edit Profile and you'll see this note that a new browser window will open for you to edit your profile. Click Continue. This is the overview page. Click the pencil icon to add middle names or alternate names you use for publishing. You can populate the Links section with sites such as your personal web page or CV page. Click Add. Add a link or a file. I'm going to add a link. Enter the URL and indicate if the site is your personal web page, publications page, and or your CV containing your professional achievements. Adding your ORCID ID will help to automatically add your publications to your profile and keep it updated. If you don't have a researcher identifier but are interested in learning more, you can click the link to visit orchid.org for information and registration. Continue updating your profile with ISNI identifier, a description of your expertise, your affiliations, education, and keywords. Keywords are based on a controlled vocabulary maintained by Pivot editors who carefully map keywords to each funding opportunity in the database. There are two ways to quickly add keywords to your profile. Just enter terms and Pivot will display matching terms in its keyword hierarchy. Select a term to add it to your profile. Or you can browse through the hierarchy and select a term of interest. There is no limit to the number of keywords you can add to your profile. The more keywords you add, the more funding recommendations you are likely to receive. Remember to click Save after adding keywords. The last biographical items are languages, associations, and honors. Amongst all the biographical information you can contain in your profile, adding middle names and alternate names used for publication, adding links to sites such as your personal web page or CV page, and adding keywords about your research interests. These are the most important elements to update in order to get the most relevant funding advisor alerts and recommendations and to maximize Pivot's automated citation linking to your publications. You can now move over to the Publications, Grants, or Patents areas to continue updating your profile. The biographical updates you just made will be saved. The Done button at the top of the screen is for when you're done updating all areas of your profile. Let's look at publications. To help keep your publications updated, Pivot adds them monthly via our automated linking process. If you currently do not see any publications listed, or just one or two, we highly recommend adding a few manually. It will help the automated monthly update process, and it will also help improve funding advisor recommendations. I'll click Add to add publications. Pivot offers two options. You can add publications one at a time or batch upload citations from a file. Add one at a time using this form. By just entering a title, Pivot will automatically search for the content. If you see your publication, just click on the title and Pivot will auto-populate the form. Add multiple publications at once by uploading a file in RIS or BibTeX format, two popular formats from bibliographic management tools such as RefWorks, or export from Google Scholar. Publications added through the batch upload process will display on the Suggested tab, where you can review them and choose to show a publication on your profile, hide it, or remove it because it's a duplicate. The last icon is for removing a publication that is not yours. This functionality is here because the Suggested tab may also include citations that could be yours based on the automatic matching algorithm, but Pivot wants you to verify. Use the trash button to tell Pivot the publication is not yours. After publications are visible in your profile, they can always be hidden, marked as duplicate, or deleted by clicking Edit. Grants. When you add a grant, entering the sponsor and the award ID will oftentimes enable Pivot to find the grant and auto-populate the rest of the information. Lastly, enter your patents by clicking Add and filling out the form. When finished updating your profile and you click Done, updates take effect immediately. Your browser should refresh the profile page and you will see any changes or additions made. And that's how to update your profile in Pivot.